Now I have just noticed that I've misspelled one of the IDs here. It should be FT in rather than FL in. Okay, so now that we are ready with the structure, it's time actually to start working with our form. So let's create the form. We place our cursor. I'm again going to use Dreamweaver's built-in tools for this purpose to make it a little bit quicker. So if I'm going to form and I'm going to choose the form tag, I'm going to give it a name search form. It's not going to be post, it's going to be get. So I'm going to change the method to get, and we'll leave the action as blank. So that's what it's going to create. Form ID search form, name search form, method get, and action blank with a closing form tag. Okay, next thing is a table. So now we're going to insert a table. Again, I'm using Dreamweaver to make it easier for myself. So click on the table button. How many rows we need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So 4 rows. Columns, we're going to need 4 columns. And we want the header to be on the left. We won't be defining any table width. Border thickness, padding, and spacing equals 0. Once we've done all this, click on OK button. It's all fine. If we go to the design view, obviously nothing's formatting, you can see anything, and the reason why you can see anything is because we still haven't linked to our style sheet. So again, I'm using Dreamweaver to do it. So CSS styles, I'm going to click on this attach style sheet, browse, and I'm going to my search form coding style core CSS, choose, and OK. For those of you who don't use Dreamweaver, it just simply has to be after the title tag, type opening tag link space href equals, and in double quotes path to your CSS style, then rel equals style sheet type equals text / CSS, and close the link tag. So that's how we link into the CSS file, but I'm sure you already know how to do it. So once we've done this, and now if we go to the design view, you can see that our structure and everything is already pre-formatted. Okay, so if we go back to the code, and first of all, we need to change all these third tags, TD tags, to TH tags. So it's going to be TH here, same about this third in this row. Same here, and the same at the end. Okay, so now if we switch to design, and we're going to start adding some headings. So first one will be search for, and a colon. This one will be category. Ouch. Okay, category. Then we're gonna have cover type and colon. Next one will be author and a colon. Then we have language and a colon, year and a colon, and the last one will be available in. And now what's going to happen here is we're going to merge these 3 cells actually, together. That's all fine. If we go to the code view, if you have a look at the structure, what it looks like, you can see that we, search this way. Okay, so we've got the first heading has got search for with a colon, third one's got category, then we've got cover type, author, language, year, and the last one, the first heading in the last row, has available in, and then we've got call span on table cell defined to 3. Okay, so that's not everything yet, because we still have to add another row for our submit button, for our search button. So if we simply copy this last row and paste it right underneath, remove this available in, and actually remove the entire th tag. Call span defined to 4. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to add the submit button. So we start with label for btn. Then we assign a class to this to this label as well, class which will be sbm for submit fl underscore r, which is float right. Okay, and then closing label. Then we put in input, type submit id btn with the value search, and close this input. Now if we switch to design view, you can see we've got our search now button displayed here as well. Okay, so we've got our table ready. In the next video we're gonna start adding all of the fields to our newly created form.